Hi friends, welcome back to Technocraft. So this video is going to be a part 2 of how to use Keynote. Last time I made a video on how to use Keynote part 1. This is going to be a part 2, just a complete version, continuation I mean. So first you gotta do is just go to Keynote, and then all your recent presentations will be loading, or the presentation you've been recently working on would be loaded. So let's just get started. You can just click this plus icon for a photo, video, camera. If you want to take a photo right now, record audio, web video. Yeah, you just gotta insert the URL. You can also insert from files. You can also draw something on top of it like this. Yeah, to explain to your viewers, and then you can just erase it if you don't want anything like that. Or if you wanted to, you could just keep that like that permanently. Hi. Okay. So, like that's how we annotate. We don't need that right now. And yeah, you have this kind of selection tool if you wanted to make something like this, or shape. You wanted to cover something. Then just have this for doing the job. And you can just erase it like this. Okay. Okay, I've done erasing it. Now you can just double click to edit. I'm sorry, this the annotation bar is just yeah. So you can just double click like this to edit. Get tech crafty. So if I don't want crafty, then I should keep it like that, but I'd like crafty. Yeah, you can edit pretty much everything by double clicking. You can go click on the text you want to edit and then click on the plus icon, and then you can just insert a link on this, and the link will turn into tech crafty. But when you click on tech crafty, it'll divert you to the video, so you don't have to always have a separate slot for the link also. You can also insert different types of 2D, 3D, and even interactive graphs to show, like if you wanted to show some voting from 2009 about Apple, how their evolution and business went up high. You could use one of these graphs, or 3D graphs obviously. You could also use tables and grids. You have tons of them. You can also insert an equation. Yeah, you can also you can also click on this paintbrush icon, then change the paragraph style, make it bold or not make it bold. Text alignment can be changed. Bullets and lists, line spacing, columns, margin, shrink text to fit. That can also be done. You can also change the view only thingy here, and also you can change the access to people on this document, the permissions, like who can access. Only people you invite means like the people who you are inviting through this icon, the plus icon, or anyone with the link. So permission, you can change it to anyone can make changes, or you can change it to anyone with the link, or you can also change it to view only. View only, they can only view your slide, they can't make any changes or edit it. And you can also export and print this. You can also use Keynote Live to use your iPhone or an iPad as a remote control, a slideshow remote. And also we have, one second, you can also add a soundtrack if you have any types of soundtracks in your library. I have nothing, but you might have one. You can also use the find feature to find any word or sentence. I want to find a word. Okay, so it will show that if you want to find how many T's are there in this slide, you can just type T, and then it will highlight all the T's in the presentation. And you can also set a password if there are some valuable information you can't give out. Then you can set a password, and you can also verify this password. Starts with G. This is just a hint. Like, you can give yourself a hint whether, like, in case you forget it, then you can it'll send you a hint, like starts with G, and then you can like remember it's G H F. Also we can there are a couple of guides here. Settings, you can change the you can disable or enable comments, slide numbers, as you can see. Slide number, I don't want that. Author name, editing. You can also change the presentation type. You can also change that. You can also change the access to Apple Pencil. You can also go for Keynote help right here. You can also send feedback, and also you can click on this icon, what's new on Keynote, and this will just give you what's on Keynote. Like, they'll update the website if they have any new features for iOS. So what I can read here, they've added precise editing controls, quick value entry, and easily select multiple objects. So that's the update for Keynote. That's the latest update. And also you can send feedback. You can just add your name, email address, subject, comments, and you can just select the which operating system you're running, which version of Keynote you're using, which device you're using, and what do you use Keynote for. And then you can just submit your feedback. They will look into your comment at the latest. And also you can rename and move your presentation right here. Undo and redo button is right here. And you can also change your access, like if you just want to view it, then you can also click like that, and you can just click on this play icon for viewing all your animations. These are all the animations I've put lately. If you wanted to change your animation, just click here, animate, and then you have a confetti transition. So yeah, that's a confetti transition. Now if you want to I'm sorry, okay, so if you wanted to animate the text, you can just click on the text, and you can click on the animation slot, and you can add a build-in, maybe compress. Okay, okay, and when you click on play, it will also appear along with all these things. Okay, so those are the animations I've put lately. The text box is glitching for me. Also you can click on the undo button, and if you don't want any animation on this, you can click on cancel animation right here. I just appear, and then I can click like this, and then delete animation, or I can copy that animation to another text. I'll delete the animation because it's different for me. Yeah, and this is the build order. You have ha as drop, and get TechCrafty drift and scale. You can just understand what words you have what transition. That's really useful. You can just preview everything like this. Okay, and you also have, you can just click the run button, and you can just click on the presentation icon and then save it whenever you want it. And you can also just change the Apple Pencil settings. Select and scroll means like you can just select and scroll, and you double tap to switch is like you can just double tap the edge of the Apple Pencil to switch between annotating with the Apple Pencil and selecting and scrolling, so you don't have to always go here and then select that. Okay. And you can, as I said, share, export, print, and the guys, you can also click on this icon, share icon right here, and all the applications will be here. And if you want more applications, you can click right here, and if you can't copy the link, then you can copy the link right here. And that's it for Keynote, guys. This is the full tutorial on how to use this app. I hope this tutorial helped you. a lot. And if you have anything, any queries, or anything that I missed out that you wanted to know, then you can comment down below, or you can also send a query to my Gmail address, footballerfirdos@gmail.com, which will be in the description below. So any queries related to this can be given and sent in my email. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Sign off for now, Technocraft.